My name is Christopher Taveras. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I wanted to learn something new, and I'm going to start working on making my new business and starting my own life. It's an inviting atmosphere. Everything is here for you to learn. The tools are here, you just got to take them and use them. I like the hands-on, finally getting to use some of the machines that I was inquiring about. The detail kink staff, they're by our side all the way. You can ask them anything and they give you knowledge about their experiences and what they think about certain techniques. Pretty extensive. I love that we literally got down to every last detail. We probably had one of the dirtiest cars I've ever seen in my life. I feel confident going into a dirty interior.